A. Avoid negative sources, people, places, things, and bad habits.
B.
Believe in yourself.
C.
Consider things from every angle.
D.
Don't give up and don't give in. Don't let a damn thing get you down.
E.
Enjoy life today. Yesterday is gone and tomorrow never comes.
F.
Family and friends are hidden treasures. Talk to them and enjoy their riches.
G.
Give more than you plan to give each day.
H.
Hang on to your dream.
I.
Ignore the bullshit.
J.
Just do it.
K.
Okay? Keep on trying no matter how hard it seems. It will get easier.
L.
Love yourself first and most. Love God always.
M.
Make it happen.
N.
Never let them see you sweat.
O.
Open your eyes to see everything around you.
P.
Practice make perfect.
Q.
Quitters never win and winners never quit.
R.
Read, learn, study about everything important in your life.
S.
Stop procrastinating.
T.
Take control of your own destiny.
U.
Understand yourself first so that you can better understand others.
V.
Visualize it.
W.
Want it more than anything.
X.
You already marked your spot in the world.
Y.
You are unique of all God's creation. No one can replace you.
Z.
Zero in on your target and go for it.